make noodles. Add water in big pot. Add salt into the pot. Let's boil the water. Noodles into pot. Let's boiling for 10 minutes. We need for noodle a carrot and cabbage and bell pepper cream. We need chilli sauce and soya sauce and salt, vinegar and carrot and oil and noodles. Started. I add chili and soy sauce.
What is that?
And now let's mix it.
In the vinegar bowl, you add chili sauce and soya sauce.
Let's mix it.
Mix well.
Take oil in a pan and let's add some all vegetables. The pot. Let's mix it. Noodle in a pot. Let's add sauce. Secret ingredient. Let's mix it. Our noodle is ready. Enjoy!